This is that Lionel 8 standard gauge train. Look how dirty it is. I'm going to fix it up. But we're working on the motor right now. A lot of wire rot. This is with the cast iron lamps. They're still in good shape. The wheels are in great shape. No zinc rot. And I'm fixing the brush area. And by that, I'm just cleaning it. It's so dirty. And we're going to clean that. And it's going to work brand new after I replace the wires. What's even better is every wire but two is screwed in. There's only 2 soldered wires on this. Easy fix. So this wire is soldered in deep and I don't want to take the wheels off and replace it. So I put shrink wrap on it. Awesome. Alright, so use a little lighter fluid to clean that off. And the sign. And then a little oil. It's going to run really well. So I've got the light fixtures inside these baggies because they use the body to conduct the electricity. But this runs very good. Well, you have to switch it into forward. Oh! And then you can do reverse again. Wow. So now that the locomotive has been cleaned with a mild soap solution, coconut oil, polished, not. Just it shimmers better. Oh! Cool. All right, neutral, reverse, and forward. Reverse, or I suppose it doesn't matter. Cool. And the lights work. This is awesome. Got a few pieces of bad track, but we're live. And reverse. Cool.